Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the bloatware in MIUI. So you will find a lot of bloatwares in your MIUI which you won't use. So as you can see, there are a lot of bloatwares which I don't use, and these apps are consuming my data. So I will provide a files link in description. So just download that file and flash it through your TWRP. So remember this, it will uninstall the app permanently, it won't disable, and it will free up a little bit storage in your device. So as you can see, in my case there is a 23.31 GB free space, and let me take the screenshot so you can also see the timing here, and I will take you directly to the TWRP and I will show you that process. So you have to download the file. I will show you here. So I have downloaded it in there, my UI. So as you can see, this is my UMD file. So you need to take your device into the fast boot mode and you have to flash this. So let me take my device into the fast boot mode. Sorry, you need to take into recovery mode. So let me take into recovery mode and I will take recovery screen. So guys, as you can see, my device is booted into TWRP, and you need not to wipe any dalvik or caches, and this is tested in our Redmi Note 4 and Redmi Note 8 in latest version of MIUI. So I don't know whether it works in any other devices, so you can test and you can tell me. So I am not responsible if any damage causes to your device, and perform this action at your own risk. So guys, if you think that it will cause any damage to your device, then you can take backup of your personal data. So let me click on the install button and let me install the file. So my touch is not working properly sometimes, so let me click on install. So I have kept here UMD v1.0. so download it from description, and I have tested just in my Redmi Note 4 only. So let it complete. So it will install all of these apps guys. As you can see, it will consume your storage more. So as you can see, this removes all of these apps. So you can read it by pausing the video. So I am clicking on rebooting system and it will reboot my device in 1 minute. So it may take some time because it removes complete bloatware, and as you can see, my device bootload is unlocked. So this is my Redmi Note 4 guys. Let me show you back view of my device. So as you can see, this is my Redmi Note 4. So I have already tested it in Redmi Note 8 also, but I don't have that device right now to make videos. That's why I'm making on our MIA1 Redmi Note 4. So guys, I have tried to purchase our MIA1, but I am not finding it anywhere. So if you people, anyone are interested, then you can tell me and I will buy it from you people. So anyway, let's see what happens. So my device is also booted successfully. There is no any issue at all. So it is asking some cover settings. So as you can see guys, all apps are uninstalled. So there are some apps which are installing. So let us uninstall them. So I am installing all of these apps. So let us check our storage guys. So this is also pre-installed app. So let me open settings and storage. So as you can see guys, around 24 GB, not 24 GB, 23.75 GB is available here. So before uninstalling system app, around 23.39 GB. So it almost saved us our space, 400 MB. So I think you people enjoyed this video and it helps you a lot. So thanks for watching the video, and credit goes to the particular developer who have made the patch. So thanks for watching the video guys.